What is going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today, and in this video I want to show you how we can use lights in different ways to really affect the backdrop. Now the backdrop that I will be working on today will be the Mocha by Savage Seamless, right? But the thing about this is they have this, which is like a light shade of brown, but they also have a darker brown, right? So let's just say you went out and you bought two. I'm going to show you a way that you can just buy one and get the same thing out of both of these, right? And it's really only going to do with light placement. So as you can see right here, you know, this is the way that I typically do my beauty portraits, right? It is a umbrella in front, and the reason why the backdrop is going to, you know, look like that light brown is because the light from the umbrella is actually touching the backdrop, right? I usually use a reflector as well. Sometimes I hold it. In this case, I have it on a posing table, bouncing light back up, right? So the light is coming down from the umbrella, hitting that reflector, and it's kind of sort of like a butterfly lighting. That's what I like to call it. So that is how we achieve this look right here that we have. Now, if we want that backdrop to be dark, what you see me doing here is I am pushing that light and I'm feathering it forward, okay? And then I implement a V flat into this, and that way what it can do is it can bounce off that V flat from V flat world, hit the face more, right? And then also hit that reflector, and then we can properly light our subject, okay? And then since it's not touching the backdrop, that backdrop is a darker, more brown. It's not as bright as it was the first time when the umbrella was hitting the light. Also, another thing that I did was I have these Varipos because my studio is real small, right? So I don't have a lot of different places to put a lot of different lights, as you can see on the wall. I have a place where I'll put lights on that thing as well. But what I did was I took the Varipo with a super clamp, and I put like a little spigot in there for me to be able to put my AD600 that I have on with a grid, right? And this is just acting as, you know, like a kicker light or a backlight, if you will. Now, one thing that I probably should have done was put it on the opposite side of where my main light source is coming, but I still like the way these came out. But usually, that if I wasn't being lazy, I will put it on the opposite side of where I'm lighting the subject. Now, of course, this video, like I said, was just going to be super quick, super short. I just wanted to like I said, just let you know exactly how I was planning on changing this backdrop color. Now, if you have any further questions on the process of this, just let me know, and I'll you know, respond and let you know. Maybe I didn't explain it well enough. The lights that I'm using here is the AD600 Pro II, and the kicker light is a AD300 Pro with a white, well, with a V flat, because it could be white or black. From V flat world, I can link all of this stuff below. Posing table with the reflector, Nikon Z8, and I think I went between my 85mm and my macro 105 for this, but I feel like I did a lot of this with my 85. So like I said, any questions, just leave it down below and I will respond. Until the next time, peace. Like again, so instead of being like straight on with me, I want you to turn, like not that much though. So about, keep coming a little bit more. All right, right there, cool. And then you're just gonna twist more towards me. Yeah, like that, perfect. I like that. Let's do something like that, looking that way. But, all right, hold up. See my hand? Just right there, perfect. Chin down a little more. Yeah, perfect. Let me see, can I get maybe one side of the hair on? Yeah. Let's see how that looks. Lean back that way, other way, not that way. Yeah, kind of like that. Hold on.